So good afternoon everyone. So in this video we are going to recite the 10 commandments of safety driving as a driver. So number 1, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Number 2, I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. Third, I will not violate speed laws nor exceed speed limits. 4. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. 5th, I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playground, hospital, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. And the last, number 10 is, I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian. That's all. So 10 commandments for the self-traveler. So number 1 is, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Number 2, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. 3, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4, thou shalt not take any chances. Number 5, thou shalt not buckle up thy kids. Number 6, thou shalt not drive on thy bright. Number 7, thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. Number 8, thou shalt not adhere to the speed limit. Number 9, thou shalt keep thy distance. And the last is number 10, thou shalt practice patience. So self-clearance 10 commandments. So number 1 is keep right. Number 2, observe rude courtesy. Number 3, prohibited parking. Number 4, if in doubt, do not overtake. 5, the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. Number 6, rule to prevent or entangle traffic signs. Number 7, observe traffic management measures. Number 8, the philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come, first serve. Number 9, on pedestrian. Number 10, remember the international driving safety reminders. Keep safe everyone.